patient when my mama tried to teach me. Gotta stay slime, make sure you shot. My boyfriend said they call me VV. Stay on top, you gon' grind until we eatin'. That's what my brothers.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a video reviewing these GSUWOO stacked sweats. Now listen to me. I've been waiting on these sweats for forever because they sell out, they in stock, they sell out, they in stock. But I caught me some finally when he restocked them. I honestly thought they would sell out, but they didn't sell out. They're actually still on the site. So if you're interested in this video, keep watching. And yeah. All right, so I got like 4 colors here. And I was a little iffy on the sizing because everybody was like, oh, I'm sorry, it's hot. These lights, it's hot. It's hot. Oh my God. Yeah, so I was a little iffy on the sizing because everybody was like, oh, they cut small. And then I went under his comments, and Jada, you know, Jada Cheeves, Jada, she was like that they're very stretchy. So I didn't know what to do. But recently I've been a size large on my bottom because I'm thick. So I was like, I'm going to just order a large. If it's too small, then it's too small. Because some people talking about ordering 2 sizes up. Now, honestly, I think those people just don't know their size. Because I tried on one and they fit good. And I'm going to try the one for y'all in the video. If you have no discrepancies with the sizing, you could just comment and ask me. But I got this lime green color. I got the white one. I got the gray. And I got the purple. I also ordered the top to match this one because I seen Jada in the set with the top and it looks really nice with the top. Like the outfit is fire. But he didn't send my top yet. So basically I got an email saying that everything will come separate. So at first I got the white, the gray, and the purple. Then I got the green and I'm still waiting on the top. Now I was thinking about waiting till the top comes to do the video for y'all, but I was like, nah. I'm gonna just do it, and then I'll probably do like a part 2 with the top and try it on with the bottom. And plus I got 2 other GSUWOO stuff that's there that I'm gonna review, so I'll probably just do a part 2 of the video. If you want a part 2, just let me know. But I'm gonna open them up for y'all. This is how they look. Fire! You see this color? Now one thing with these, I'm 5'8". I'm a tall big bitch, so I kind of wish they was taller, but for somebody more petite and small, it's going to fit you longer, and it's going to, you know, be that, like, give you that long look that it's been giving other people, but it's just not giving me that. Like, it's not high waters, but it's not, like, long how we wanted to, but I'm pretty sure, I already knew that, though. But this is how it looks. Got, like, 2 seams on the back, make the booty pop, you know. Then the ruching all the way to the bottom. Then it has a little GSUWOO patch right there. Then it has a swing tag. So real. I'm gonna try on each one and insert like a video in this video. And then we have the white pair. Now listen, I seen this one when the stacks first. Why my light look like it wanna drop on me? When the stacks first released, and nobody wasn't really talking about them like that. Like, I seen them, I was like, those is fire. Because when he dropped them, he dropped the white and he dropped the pink. And I was like, nah, that's fire. So, but I never bought it because I think they were more money that time. But either way, I was going to buy it. But it's just at the time, I'm like, I don't want to pay that for that. But it's whatever. But it had a white top that looked so nice with it. And Jada had it on. And I don't see the white top no more. But when I went on the website after the sale, all the tops I wanted was sold out. So I have to go back when he restocked them to get tops for these, because I'm gonna need tops for all of these, and I want a GSUWOO top to match it. But yeah, this is the same thing. This is so nice and crisp and clean. Like, the white would look really nice with like a colorful shoe, or even like some Gucci slides, like the white Gucci slides with the green, or like some white Gucci sneakers. I feel like that would look really nice with that. So yeah. Now this purple one, I really wanted this one. I was really feeling for the purple and the green. Any other color, I was like, let me just pick up a few colors, because I don't know if it's going to sell out. I don't know if he's going to bring them back. I don't know, but let me just cop them right now. I still want the black and the yellow and the pink. I'm not too, the blue is iffy because it's not like, a light blue or like a royal blue. It's like that navy-ish blue, and it's like a weird navy-ish blue. So I wasn't really feeling that color. But yes, look at the purple. It's so cute. This is so pretty. I freaking love that lavender. And the sign is wavy. I feel like these pants are so wavy. It's a nice summer fit. Even though you more so want to wear like skirts and shorts and stuff in the summer, it's a nice summer jogger. Put on with a cute tank top, crop top, and some nice shoes. I feel like these, you gotta have the perfect shoes for these. I'll probably do a video of me styling them, but I need like shoes that will match all of them perfectly because I don't know. Can't be just putting on anything with these. Now these are the gray ones. These ones is nice. But when I had these on, man, y'all gonna see they fit really nice. They fit the body really nice. Now let me tell you something. I feel like if you a medium, get a medium. If you're a large, get a large. If you're an extra large, get an extra large. Know your size. I know y'all seen under Greg's post about the stack pants, somebody was like, I'm a 2X or some shit like that. I was like, should I order a medium? And he was like, honey, order your size. I'm telling y'all, order y'all size. And people are saying that they cut small. I don't think so. I just think people don't know their size because I'm a large and they fit perfectly. So don't be ordering no size way too. Just order your size. Unless you like shapes different. Because some people like don't have no butt, but like their stomach a little big. Or like their waist is small and they have a lot of butt. So it's just all depending on you, your body shape, your height, like all of that. You got to take all of that into consideration. But that's the video, guys. So if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. And also leave me some video suggestions because I've been going for a long time off of YouTube. I haven't been posting a lot on YouTube. I'm trying to get back on that. So give me some video ideas so I can start pushing these videos out because I gotta get back on my YouTube stuff. So thank you guys. See you next time.